Celebrity plastic surgery disasters captivate with tales of transformation gone wrong. In Hollywood, where wealth and desire intertwine, access to cosmetic procedures seems unlimited. Yet, should there be boundaries? Despite the industry's history and safety measures, mistakes can be catastrophic. Get ready for a riveting journey into the realm of celebrity plastic surgery mishaps. Brace yourself as we uncover the shocking consequences of cosmetic procedures gone awry. Our first tale begins with Hang Moku. Addictive behavior can lead to risky paths, as seen in Hang Moku's case. She developed an obsession in plastic surgery that had tragic results. Initially a successful model and singer, Hang's journey into cosmetic enhancements began at 28. Driven by a quest for flawless skin, she even moved to Japan for multiple procedures. Over time, her relentless pursuit of perfection pushed medical professionals to refuse further surgeries. Returning to Korea, her transformation was so extreme that her own parents couldn't recognize her. Though she initially sought psychiatric help, she stopped attending sessions and sought a plastic surgeon willing to continue her treatment. She eventually found a surgeon who provided silicone injections and the necessary supplies, including silicone and syringes, for self-administration. When she ran out of supplies, she resorted to injecting cooking oil into her face in desperation, leading to severe swelling, scarring, and disfigurement. Her story garnered public sympathy, with donations made to help her regain her appearance. However, despite undergoing 10 surgeries, only some of the substances were removed, and her face size was reduced. In her 60s, Hang now works in a second-hand clothing store and relies on state assistance. Her deepest hope is to restore her original face, serving as a poignant reminder of the devastating consequences of her plastic surgery addiction. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. If the video you're watching is interesting, comment number 1 and otherwise number 2. Mickey Rourke. Mickey Rourke's plastic surgery journey is distinct from that of many other celebrities seeking facial rejuvenation. He didn't opt for cosmetic enhancements to combat the aging process. Rather, his decision was driven by severe facial injuries sustained during his boxing career in the 1990s. Rourke, a seasoned actor, transitioned into professional boxing, a sport he had been passionate about since his preteen years. He enjoyed success as an amateur boxer, boasting an impressive record of 12 consecutive knockouts between the 1960s and 1970 die. Becoming a professional boxer proved to be a fruitful decision as he remained undefeated in 8 fights, securing 6 wins with 4 knockouts and 2 draws. However, the toll on his face was significant. Rourke endured 2 broken noses, a split tongue, a compressed cheekbone, and even short-term memory loss. The man we once recognized from our TV screens underwent multiple reconstructive surgeries to restore his facial features. Unfortunately, he was dissatisfied with the results, which led to a series of subsequent surgeries. As a result, Mickey Rourke is now virtually unrecognizable. To address the damage he suffered, Rourke underwent 5 nose operations and 1 procedure to repair his damaged cheekbone. Most of these surgeries aimed to rectify the injuries he sustained during his boxing career. However, Rourke candidly admitted that he made an unfortunate choice in the surgeon responsible for reconstructing his face. Anastasia Poeschuk, originally hailing from Kiev, Ukraine, embarked on a journey of multiple cosmetic procedures, including Botox, veneers, chin and jaw reshaping, and liposuction. While these may seem like fairly routine procedures in the world of cosmetics, the astonishing aspect emerges when you witness the finished results of her transformations. Anastasia began her foray into cosmetic enhancements at the age of 26, a decision that set her on an unconventional path. What distinguishes her story is the fact that she took it upon herself to administer filler injections frequently, relying on online tutorials to guide her through the process. She boldly claims to adhere to stringent sterilization procedures for her equipment and administers the substance in a manner akin to a medical professional attending to a patient. Her conviction in her abilities is resolute. As a consequence of her relentless pursuit of cosmetic perfection through filler injections, Anastasia has found herself bearing excessively prominent cheeks, a distinctive feature she is resolute on maintaining. In fact, she even sought to secure the title of having the world's most prominent cheeks. In a 2020 interview, she declared her unwavering commitment to self-administering fillers, even in the face of warnings from concerned medical professionals who expressed their despair at her choices. Don't rush to escape this boring video and forget comment number 2. I will change it if I know you hate it. Naran Asing, a versatile American figure, rose to prominence through her involvement in various fields such as acting, LGBT advocacy, writing, singing, and reality TV. However, her journey took a challenging turn when she appeared on the E! Channel entertainment show Botched, seeking to rectify cement-like substances injected into her face, breasts, and hips by an unlicensed practitioner. Despite initial complications, subsequent interventions on the show helped remove a significant portion of the problematic material. Naran Asing's diverse heritage, rooted in the Dogla ethnic group, reflects her Indo-Trinidadian, French, Afro-Trinidadian, and Polynesian ancestry. Embracing her identity as a transgender woman in the late 1990s marked a profound personal revelation. In 2005, Naran Asing turned to the Duchess O'Neill Ron Morris, a prominent figure in Miami's transgender community, for filler injections. However, the substances used, including concrete, tire sealant, mineral oil, and glue, led to adverse reactions and complications, challenging Naran Asing's self-image and confidence. Her journey highlights the importance of informed and safe cosmetic procedures, while showcasing her resilience in overcoming adversity. Simon Cowell, the iconic personality and record executive known for his contributions to globally acclaimed shows such as The X Factor and Got Talent, has recently undergone a noticeable transformation, sparking intense speculation about potential plastic surgery. In a candid revelation in 2023, Cowell admitted to undergoing cosmetic procedures in his quest for a more youthful appearance. However, the results left him virtually unrecognizable, drawing comparisons to characters straight out of a horror film. The news of Cowell's cosmetic enhancements not only took the public by surprise, but also deeply affected his young son, Eric, who reportedly struggled to come to terms with his father's altered appearance. In response, Cowell took proactive measures to address the situation. He opted to have some of the fillers from his procedures removed and shifted his focus to more subtle facial treatments rather than drastic alterations. Moreover, Cowell emphasized the importance of adopting a healthier lifestyle. He now follows a balanced diet, places a strong emphasis on staying hydrated through increased water intake, and prioritizes overall well-being over mere physical appearance. This shift reflects Cowell's commitment to embracing a more sustainable and holistic approach to health and self-care, resonating with the values deeply ingrained in American culture. Nean Sovi, a 45-year-old Croatian celebrity stylist and reality TV personality, has made waves in the world of cosmetic surgery. Recently, he made headlines for a rather unusual side effect from his latest procedure, a persistent erection. Opting for his third nasal operation in an Iranian clinic due to cost considerations, Sovi had to abruptly return to Belgrade when faced with this unexpected complication. This continuous erection is a rare condition known as priapism, triggered by an allergic reaction to the anesthetic. Urgent attention is crucial in such cases, as highlighted by the French Association of Virology. Proper management is essential to prevent complications and irreversible erectile dysfunction. Despite this unexpected turn of events, Nean Sovi remains undeterred in his pursuit of aesthetic perfection. He's still determined to undergo just one more procedure to achieve his desired appearance and gain global recognition. Cardi B, known for her music that resonates with both young and older audiences, is as outspoken as her song lyrics. What sets her apart is her willingness to openly discuss her plastic surgery experiences, including the mistakes she's made along the way. During an Instagram live session, Cardi B revealed that she recently underwent surgery to remove her butt implants, which were primarily composed of 95% biopolymer. She described the process as quite challenging and offered a strong warning to her followers: never under any circumstances opt for this procedure. Cardi B shared that she had felt pressured into getting the implants during her time as a stripper and had paid just $800 to have them done by someone in a basement. This procedure is perilous because the filler can spread throughout the body, and the person who performed Cardi B's procedure was reportedly linked to a tragic incident where a woman passed away due to the injections administered. It's important to note that Cardi B's aversion to biopolymers doesn't mean she is against plastic surgery altogether. She has openly admitted to having a nose job, explaining that she disliked her father's nose and chose to change it. Cardi B firmly believes that if you're unhappy with an aspect of yourself, it's perfectly acceptable to make alterations, but it's crucial to do so safely. Katie Price, British model and media personality. She openly admits to many cosmetic surgeries and does not hesitate to talk about her extensive changes that have accumulated over the years. Throughout her modeling career, Katie has always maintained a natural look. It wasn't until she turned 30 that she decided to make a change, and now, at 45, she's doing whatever she wants without regret. Her journey began in 1999 when she significantly enhanced her bust, from 32B to 32DDN, corrected the shape of her nose. By 2006, she was well on her way to becoming completely plastic, and by 2011, she was proudly embracing it. Katie's transformation continues to become more and more dramatic as time goes on. In 2016, she chose plump lips and a smoother, more shiny face. Just 2 years later, her appearance at the National Television Awards was so different as to be almost unrecognizable. Her level of surgery has increased, including annual breast augmentations starting in 2019, and each of her breast implants is estimated to weigh about 4.4 pounds. This has raised concerns among plastic surgeons about her overall health. One Dr. Dostophilax expressed concern about the frequency and extent of Katie's surgery, noting that it could be a potential cause for concern. Katie has remained realistic about how she talks about her transformation, but some observers find the situation concerning. Donatella Versace. It's hard to say definitively what cosmetic procedures Donatella Versace has undergone unless she openly discusses them herself. However, when you look at her, it's clear that her appearance has changed over the years, suggesting the possibility of cosmetic enhancements. Donatella, the Italian fashion designer and sister of Gianni Versace, boasts a remarkably smooth and wrinkle-free face for a woman in her late 60s. There are noticeable signs indicating potential cosmetic work, such as her more slender and pointed nose, less droopy upper eyelids, fuller cheeks, and differently shaped lips, possibly due to chimpliance and lip augmentation. In 2014, Donatella was photographed with an exceptionally shiny appearance, which cosmetic surgery clinical director Mark Norfolk attributed to extensive Botox use. He explained that Botox can result in a stretched, shiny, and line-free forehead, which seems consistent with Donatella's look. Norfolk also noted that it's uncommon for a woman of her age to have no forehead lines or wrinkles, and her eyes appear somewhat half shut. Based on these observations, it's reasonable to speculate that Donatella may have utilized Botox or other cosmetic treatments to maintain her youthful appearance. Jackie Stallone is an American astrologer, dancer, and wrestling promoter. She's the mother of actor Sylvester Stallone, singer Frank Stallone, and actress Toni. She recently shared her candid thoughts about post-plastic surgery regrets. She describes her unsuccessful procedures as leaving her looking like a chipmunk with a piece of walnut in her mouth. In an intimate interview, she also discussed her recent health scare, suffering a heart attack, and the challenges of coping with the tragic deaths of her daughter, Toni, and grandson Sage. Both happened at her house. Despite these difficulties, Jackie still leads an active lifestyle in a luxury apartment in Santa Monica near the ocean. She takes tap dance classes 3 times a week, 2 sessions per week with a personal trainer, and spends 2 hours a day playing the piano. Not one to partake in lavish Hollywood parties, Jackie Chan believes in setting an example for the elderly, commenting, "I became a role model for movie stars when I turned 50 because aging and prosperity is their greatest fear. But as I get older, I become more popular." Sadly, she passed away in 2020 at the age of 99. Michael Jackson's journey through plastic surgery is as iconic as his music career. A comparison of photos from his youth to his final images before his passing in 2009 reveals a profound transformation. Reports suggest that Jackson underwent numerous procedures, aiming to refine his appearance and correct previous surgeries. His quest for perfection began with nose refinement. Legend has it that he even asked his sister LaToya to undergo the procedure first, as a test of its success. Once satisfied, he embarked on his own surgical journey in 1979, setting the stage for a series of transformative procedures. Experts speculate that Jackson may have undergone up to 100 surgeries, including nose jobs, cheek implants, eyelid surgery, and chin augmentation. Dr. Wallace Goodstein, who worked closely with Jackson's surgeons, revealed the extent of his frequent visits, sometimes undergoing a dozen procedures in one sitting. Jackson's dedication to his aesthetic vision was unparalleled. He once expressed, "To reap and enjoy the fruits of my talents for myself would be selfish." His legacy not only lives on through his music, but also through the enduring fascination with his ever-evolving appearance. Jessica Alves, formerly known as Rodrigo Alves, is a Brazilian-British television personality famous for her extensive cosmetic transformations. Born on July 30, 1983 in São Paulo, Brazil, to a Brazilian mother and a British father, Roosevelt Alves. Her father's family history traces back to European immigration to Brazil in the 1940s. Initially engaged in agriculture before venturing into supermarkets, shopping malls, and real estate. From a tender age, Jessica identified as feminine, finding solace in playing with Barbie dolls gifted by her grandfather. Despite being assigned male at birth, she expressed her gender identity through cross-dressing and doll play. Jessica firmly believes in the fluidity of gender and rejects its rigid categorization. During adolescence, Jessica faced a hormone imbalance, leading to excessive estrogen levels and the development of breast tissue. This hormonal imbalance, coupled with her unique characteristics, subjected her to bullying. Over the years, Jessica underwent over 103 cosmetic procedures, including multiple nose surgeries that resulted in the loss of her sense of smell. Her transformative journey involved a staggering 51 plastic surgeries, totaling over $650,000 as of 2018. Despite the physical and emotional challenges, Jessica remains resolute in her quest for self-expression and identity. Linda Evangelista, a famous Canadian fashion model with more than 700 magazine covers to her name, recently experienced an unexpected result after a plastic surgery. Despite her enduring beauty, her appearance had noticeably changed due to what she described as a brutal facial disfiguring experience during cosmetic treatment. Lured by cool sculpting ads promising fat loss without surgery and no downtime, Linda decided to try this method. In her own words, she admits she's a bit vain, trying to target stubborn spots. However, Linda's encounter with cool sculpting did not go as expected. The FDA-approved procedure is effective for many people, but did not produce the desired results for Linda. After 7 cool sculpting sessions from 2015 to 2016, instead of losing weight, she began to notice bulges in her bra area, chin, and thighs. These areas not only grow, but also stiffen and become numb. Seeking medical advice, Linda received a diagnosis of paradoxical lipohyperplasia, a rare condition that affects less than 1% of cool sculpting patients. This diagnosis means that traditional methods such as diet and exercise will not correct the problem. In response to her ordeal, Linda filed a lawsuit against the parent company, Zeltique Aesthetics Incorporated, seeking $50 million in damages. Despite her setback, Linda's courage to speak out serves as a cautionary tale about the potential risks associated with cosmetic procedures. Sharon Osborne, known for her candid discussions about cosmetic procedures, has undergone many enhancements over the years, but has now decided to end this journey. Her decision was influenced by her last experience, a facelift in 2021 at age 70, which, in her words, made her look like a worthy cyclops. Scared, the suffering from this procedure caused her to reconsider further surgeries. Admitting that time was not in her favor, Sharon couldn't risk another facelift after her final ordeal, which lasted 5.5 hours and left her feeling terrible afterwards. She even expressed concerns to her surgeon about one eye looking different from the other. Although it seems like Sharon is stopping plastic surgery, she has had a significant number of surgeries. In her autobiography Unbreakable, published in 2013, she candidly shared that she had corrections, rejuvenation, peels, laser treatments, masking, enhancements, or removals done whenever she felt the need. Priscilla Presley, renowned for her association with Elvis Presley and her thriving business ventures, has long been a topic of speculation regarding potential plastic surgery. However, the specifics of these procedures remain shrouded in mystery, as Priscilla has neither confirmed nor denied them. Several doctors, who have analyzed her photos without treating her, have offered their professional insights. Dr. Dave David noted an apparent overuse of cheek filler, impacting her ability to fully open her eyes. Dr. Anthony Yoon suggested signs of a facelift, while other experts hinted at possible skin resurfacing treatments with potentially irreversible consequences. Moreover, there are rumors suggesting that Priscilla may have fallen prey to an unlicensed cosmetic surgeon, Dr. Daniel Serrano. Operating at Hollywood gatherings, Serrano falsely boasted about the superiority of his injections over Botox. However, these injections contained industrial-grade silicone, primarily utilized for lubricating car parts, posing serious health hazards. Only Joselyn Wildenstein, affectionately known as Catwoman for her unique feline-inspired look, stands out in her ADS, defying conventional beauty standards. But hold on to your hats, folks, because here's the scoop. She claims her distinct appearance is not the result of countless cosmetic surgeries, but a gift from her parents. Her Swiss products. Yes, you heard that right. Swiss cheese, Swiss watches, and Swiss beauty secrets? Talk about a revelation. But please wait a little longer. Rumor has it that Joselyn may have spent a small fortune on a multi-million-dollar surgery just to give her those seductive cat-like eyes. I mean, who wouldn't want a makeover like that? Despite Joselyn's claims that her skin is as naturally smooth as Swiss chocolate, the skeptics out there can't shake the feeling that there's more to the story. Did she do that or not? That's the big question on everyone's mind. So guys, it's the weigh in. Is it all just Swiss genetics, or is there more to this story than meets the eye? Let's listen to your thoughts. Heidi Montag, known for her role in Laguna Beach, learned a crucial lesson the hard way. Free doesn't always mean right. She dove headfirst into an extensive plastic surgery journey that she now deeply regrets. It all began with an enticing offer for complimentary cosmetic enhancements, promising thousands of dollars worth of procedures at no cost. But the reality was far from what she had anticipated. In a grueling 16-hour surgery, Heidi underwent a total of 10 procedures in a single day. To compound matters, she was administered an excessive amount of opioid pain medication, pushing her to the brink of physical and emotional fragility during her lengthy recovery period. At just 23 years old, she had already undergone a slew of procedures, including a brow lift, chin reduction, and Botox injections. Heidi now realizes that she never truly needed these surgeries. Her advice to those contemplating plastic surgery due to insecurities about their appearance is to seek guidance from professionals and loved ones, delving into the root causes of their feelings. While Heidi doesn't discount the potential benefits of plastic surgery, she aims to shed light on the less glamorous aspects of body alteration. She emphasizes that the journey often involves unseen challenges and hardships, far beyond the before and after snapshots that dominate the public eye. Joan Van Arc, a famous actress, has always been tight-lipped about her plastic surgery journey in public interviews. However, when looking with a trained eye through her photos from years past to more recent snapshots, it's impossible not to notice subtle changes that hint at aesthetic improvements America. In earlier images, Joan exudes natural charm, while in recent images, her face looks noticeably slimmer and more refined. There's a lot of speculation among experts, suggesting procedures ranging from facelifts to collagen injections, cheek implants, Botox, and maybe even a brow lift. Despite her illustrious career in television and film, it is Joan's potential aesthetic transformations that have attracted attention. Observers who encountered Joan in 2020 noted a certain artificiality in her facial features, likening it to melted plastic. Dr. Anthony Yoon, a seasoned plastic surgeon, has weighed in on the issue, suggesting that Joan's dramatic metamorphosis may be due to extensive surgical interventions, possibly including multiple facelift surgeries that result in a tightened neckline and jawline. Dr. Yoon also points out the absence of wrinkles and a noticeably smooth forehead, signs that may suggest Botox injections and a brow lift. Although confirmation of any surgical procedure would require Joan's own admission, considerable speculation surrounding the subject hints at a kernel of truth. People often say where there is smoke, there is fire, implying that beneath the surface there is a story waiting to be told. Carrot Top, whose real name is Scott Thompson, is a beloved actor and stand-up comedian known for his vibrant personality and stellar performances on stage. With memorable appearances on The Tonight Show with Jay Leno and as the announcer for Cartoon Network, he's solidified his place in the entertainment industry. As Carrot Top entered his 50s, his physical appearance underwent noticeable changes, prompting speculation about potential plastic surgery. From being slim to muscular and back to slim again, observers couldn't help but wonder if these transformations were the result of lifestyle choices or cosmetic procedures. However, Carrot Top vehemently denies any involvement in plastic surgery, attributing his well-toned face and chiseled jawline to lifestyle changes and a dedicated workout routine. With his trademark humor, he jokes that if he were to go under the knife, he'd probably come out looking even better. But in all seriousness, he asserts that he's never undergone any such procedures, confidently owning his natural appearance. Pixie Fox's relentless pursuit of becoming a living cartoon character led her down the path of extreme plastic surgery, making her a notable figure in the world of transformative procedures. Hailing from North Carolina and now 33 years old, Pixie Fox has undergone a series of incredible treatments, including a jaw surgery to get a smaller face, ear surgery for an elf-like appearance, and a removed 6 ribs. Her transformation journey also included 4 breast augmentations, multiple lip injections, fat injections under her eyes, 2 liposuction surgeries, eyebrow and buttock lifts, and eye surgery to change her eye color. With more than 20 cosmetic surgery methods, Pixie Fox's determination to look like a lively cartoon character is unwavering. However, her extreme journey hit a roadblock when doctors Terry Dubrow and Paul Nassif, who appeared on the TV show Botched, steadfastly refused to perform further surgeries on her. Despite this setback, Pixie Fox remains steadfast in her vision and has expressed a desire to undergo additional procedures, including public eyelash implants and a unique genital transformation that she calls baby flower. Pixie Fox's extraordinary journey pushes the boundaries of conventional appearance standards, revealing the lengths some individuals are willing to go to achieve their desired appearance. Zhu Chuna, a 17-year-old influencer in China, became famous on the social media platform Weibo, where she documented her extensive plastic surgery journey. Over the course of 3 years, Chu underwent more than 100 surgeries, starting at age 13. Initially facing taunts from his classmates, Chu sought to improve his life by changing his appearance, convincing his parents to fund his first double eyelid surgery. After noticing a significant change in the way she was treated after the initial procedure, Xiao went on to undergo various surgeries, including fillers, rhinoplasty, Barbie eye surgery, breast implants, and liposuction. Although the COVID-19 pandemic has slowed down the pace of her surgeries, in the past year alone, Xiao has performed 20 surgeries. Despite serious side effects such as memory loss and permanent scarring, Chu believes it was all worth it. Her parents reportedly spent more than $620,000 on her surgeries, with Chu even threatening to drop out of school if they didn't fund her surgeries. Zhu Chuna's journey is a vivid example of the complex dynamic between self-image, social pressure, and the constant pursuit of beauty. The video ends here. Remember, there are still many other interesting and engaging videos in my playlist. Before you leave, please leave a comment number 1 if you found the video interesting, or number 2 if not. It's that simple, isn't it? Thank you.